We're back on site, Sacramento, California, at our full home remodel and addition. Let's go check out the progress. All right, when you first enter this house, we have this huge, tall entryway. It's going into the new foyer, and this is actually one of the only existing walls that we left in the home, is in this new front bedroom closet. And that's what kind of constituted this to be a remodel, but really this is a custom home build. So when you walk in, you gotta watch for the bracing. All these walls are racked. We have a bedroom coming in, hall bathroom, and then we get into the laundry room. And in the previous video, we kind of walked through where these things are gonna be. This is actually where they're at. So it's cool to see this come to life. This hall bathroom, pretty spacious. We're doing a tub shower combo. We have a centered window over this tub shower combo, toilet, vanity location. Pretty simple hall bath, but it's gonna have some nice design elements to it. Then coming into the other room here, this is our laundry room. So we have a pass-through coming in here. We're gonna have some nice hamper storage, some cabinetry in this little built-in nook. Then we have a sink, washer dryer unit, storage closet, and then access to the backyard as well. And this is probably the best part of the build right now. This is your kitchen. So all of this space we have here, huge open floor plan kitchen, 16-foot island going in here, gorgeous feature range wall. We have a butler's pantry, we have a primary pantry, we have appliances on this wall as well, but this is gonna be a huge open kitchen, really focused on entertaining. A younger lady is moving into this home and she likes to have friends over, so we're gonna have a great big party spot in this kitchen. Large slider, gonna go out to a new landscape backyard. And then the second best part about this build is the master bathroom. In our master bath, there are a lot of room for activities. This is a huge shower area. We have a tub inside the shower. This is gonna have a really cool architectural arch detail, kind of picturing in this tub, wall-mounted tub filler, and this archway is gonna be a niche as well as just a design aspect of the project. Horizontal tile and drain, shower valve system, shower heads will be going up here, and the overall footprint, you have about 6 feet of shower space before you get to that tub area, so lots of room here to move around. We're gonna have a large 6018 window going up here, centered in this bathroom. Double vanity, custom built-ins going in there, and then also going into the closet, a large walk-in closet for her as well. Really built for function and really how this homeowner wants to use the space. So it's gonna be cool to see it come to life and see how she uses all these amenities. We're now in the backyard. This is the patio area. It's gonna be an enclosed patio. We're gonna have the French doors from the master, the large slider from the living area, coming out to a really cool outdoor area that's gonna be enclosed. All this is getting landscaped, so don't mind all the wood material, but it's gonna be pretty when it's done. And that really brings it up. We're done with rough frame. We're about to roll trusses. We're doing some pickup work right now. Utilities on the inside getting roughed in. Plumbing's pretty much buttoned up. Electrical's getting in this week. And then rolling trusses next week. So stay tuned. We got a lot of good things coming. Like, follow, subscribe. Go to YouTube, check out our previous videos on this project. We'll see you on the next one.